Hello, my name is Jennifer Alexander and I am in CIS 257 and I'm doing project 1. So the first question, show me the exchange rates one file that you created and tell me where the data comes from. So here is my file for exchange rates 1 and the data is coming from the website up here, live exchange rates. Okay, for question number 2, show me the custom calculator column you created in the bonus 2 file. Have that down here. Here's the total for my file. Open the primary and foreign keys 1 file and show me which columns are primary keys and which are foreign keys. Let me open that here. Okay, so for the category field, the primary key is category ID. And for the product field, the primary key is product ID. And category does not have a foreign key. In the product field here, the foreign key is going to be the category ID, which relates back to the category ID here. And question number 4, demonstrate how the pivot table in your exercise 10 end file matches the pivot table in the session 11 image. Okay, so I have the image up here. Okay, and then my exercise 10 end is here, and I do have it matching up. Thank you.